ਸਕਦੇ ਤੋਂ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਵਾਪਸ ਆਈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ।
So good morning everyone, it's 6:45 and we have left from Sonipat residence. We planned to leave at 6 but we are already 45 minutes late. So our route for today would be Sonipat to Kharkhoda, and from Kharkhoda we'll go to Jhajjar via Sampla, and from there onwards we'll head to Rewari, and in Rewari we'll show you a good picnic spot, a good long drive or long ride destination. So our original plan was to go to Jhajjar via Gohana and Rohtak, but we were really behind the schedule, so we did not want to make Pradeep and Chima wait, so we took the shortest possible route, which was Kharkhoda, Sampla and Jhajjar. The road from Kharkhoda to Jhajjar, it's a very good highway. Part of the highway from Sonipat to Kharkhoda is under construction, but the Kharkhoda to Jhajjar part of the highway is fully ready. It's a 6-lane road and it's a pleasure to ride on that road. Though it gets monotonous and boring at times, but it's at any time it's a beautiful road and a beautiful ride. When you travel to this part of Haryana, especially after crossing Jhajjar and traveling towards Rewari or Mahendragarh, you get a feel of Rajasthan. You start getting a feel of Rajasthan. The culture and the dialect of the people and their clothing style, especially of the women. It resembles a lot with Rajasthanis. We have exited the National Highway number 71 and now we are on National Highway number, erstwhile National Highway number 8. Yeah, this is the Delhi-Jaipur highway and I think we have to take a U-turn. Okay. How far is the barrage from this place? 7. So we have reached the Masani barrage and this is the nature camp over here, which is being run by the Haryana Forest Development Corporation. Rajiv Gandhi Herbal Park and Nature Camp. जनाब यहाँ पे के कैंप में कुछ है भी है ऐसी बस?
कुछ भी नहीं
हैं यही है कि? अच्छा, तो आगे जो ये मेन बैरेज है वहाँ पे क्या है? जो मेन बैरेज है वहाँ पे कोई बैठने बैठने की जगह है क्या?
तो खाली जगह पड़ी सारी।
नहीं वैसे मतलब कि कुछ खाने पीने का कुछ है व्यवस्था? कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे? अच्छा, जंगल ही है। अच्छा अच्छा, ओके। ये कितना का बड़ा है ये आपका कैंप?
ये तो काफी बड़ा है,
काफी बड़ा है।
12 एकड़ में।
बाहर तो बड़े जानवरों के फोटो फोटो लगा के कुछ है भी?
पहले था, अब नहीं है।
अब नहीं है।
अब खत्म है।
ओके ओके। तो ये हट्स वगैरह जो चलती नहीं है आपकी?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं है।
ओके। That's it. हैं? देखते लिए.
So this is the Masani barrage, which is built on the seasonal river Sahibi and named after the local village Masani.
Okay sir. Oh, thank you ma'am. Bye bye. Yeah. Huh? Sena is not working?